Hey guys, Michael Kincaid. Thanks for stopping by and checking out another Mavic video. Today, it is 19 degrees out, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. But check out the lift kit, leg extenders for the Mavic. This is probably the cheapest and most single best investment for the Mavic, because you very well know this thing is near impossible to start in grass or any type of rough terrain. But they're super easy. They just literally just pop right off. Just these three little pieces here. And again, super easy to install, super cheap. I'll put a link in the description below. And they weigh next to nothing. I'll weigh them on the scale in there, and I will put the weight in the video here, right here. But they weigh next to nothing. It doesn't affect flying whatsoever. And again, like I said, they just pop right on, pop right off. They're super secure. But anyhow, here's a couple examples coming up of the Mavic taking off on different terrain levels.